Hi, this is a custom demonstration for Holsteins. We took a number of your different documents. As you can see here, there's 3 different document types, all with varying formats. I'm calling this the application cow form. Then we have the Reg app, which comes in a couple different flavors, one with some blue color background, some with some shading there, some with literally no shading, as you'll see here. We are able to add each one of these in the classification designer along with our process forms, take the entire PDFs that are provided and automatically separate and extract all the data. So I'm just going to show a quick example here of the setup. So we created this job here, and so we created the 3 different types. So I call it the cow app. So it's going to look for these types of applications, and every time it hits the first page it's going to separate. Then our process forms, which you can see that have some varying formats in terms of where the data is, and the Holstein Reg app, which you see here in a couple different formats. I just took the liberty of putting in I just selected a bunch of fields to extract. We utilize this document intelligence model using a neural model. So I built the model here, Holstein 2. And you can see when we test any of these documents, it will extract the data. And this is essentially what we use to test, but this is the Microsoft Azure document intelligence. You can see how it's pulling handwritten, non-handwritten data, ear tag, as you can see there. So we then take this model that we built and we add it in here. As you see here, we created this Holstein model utilizing that Holstein 2 with our API key. We do all this setup for you. And then we map all the different fields. In this particular case, I didn't separate everything. I created 3 document classes, as we call them, but I just kind of had it all in one IOCR step. Okay, so if we process these documents through the browser interface here, so we'll come in, we'll select new batch, and certainly we can monitor a hot folder, monitor an email, or drive a desktop scanner. I'm going to come in and grab those 3 files that you guys provided. And you'll see here we have 3 documents with varying pages. So here we had a processing form and 2 cow forms. And then we have document 2, which is a processing form and then a number of reg apps. And then you can see here a processing form, a reg app, and then anything that doesn't conform to any of these 3 documents will just be following pages to this application. So this application, these 2 cow pictures, will be a 3-page document, and then same here, 3-page document, 3-page document. So we'll process this, and I've already pre-processed one just so we don't have to wait. And we can come in, I'll just show you what's happening here on the back end. So as this is processing, there's 24 total pages and there's 3 documents. So you'll see 3 and 24, and it's going through the classification step now. If it, ideally it does it right, and it separates the 3 different content types. And you'll see here we've kind of done that and pre-processed. So here on the processing form, we're able to get the folder number, the processing date, and the billing account. And same here on the what I'll call the cow form. We're able to get the herd code, the association, the DPC, the barn code. I wanted to do some kind of cool stuff with the handwriting, so you could see it got Peterson and the supplier supervisor name, the name of the animal. I think it did a pretty good. I don't know if that's Ja. Yeah, Ja. No, it's pretty close. Go to the next one. You can see did kind of got all the same metadata, date of birth, the same idea here. We go to the registration forms, and you can see these are all 1 pages. So it broke out all and I don't know if that's exactly it. We don't have to separate, but you can see here on these forms, we're able to, get the app number, the animal name, sire name, sire Holst Reg, the dame name, and as you can see when I click on each one of these things and grab the Holst account, and then also this AIN number. This AIN sticker is kind of all over the place, but we were able to figure that out, and as you can see also grabbed month, day, year. Just the way it's positioned, it doesn't lend well, so we would concatenate that through a string concatenation through a transformation as part of the project. As you can see here, let's get to, okay, so here's another example with the blue background. No difference here. But as you see in some of these, this sire NAB, some have that, some don't. You'll see it extracts. Let me see if I can find the one where it has it. And then we go to the bottom here, and these are the multiple pages. This one actually has that NAB. And you'll notice that the two cow pictures stay to that form. Same with your, you can see the form and then the two cow pictures. And again, it's able to grab some of this stuff that you might not see normally. So it doesn't matter if there's data kind of all over the place or if the form's kind of the same, but not. But as you can see, there are some validation warnings. Right now I have confidence set at 95% or 99%. So it's at 80, 79, 80%. It's going to fail. So you just have to come in. And so we would work on these. And if there's any type of validation we can do against your ERP system to validate some of these numbers, we can do that. And then when we're done, we just basically close the batch, and this would release a PDF and the image into DocStar document management system. It can release it to really wherever you want. But I think what you've seen is a very robust solution. There you go. So basically the one I just processed. You can see same results. Pretty cool. You can see here, yep, some of these names, same capability as the previous batch. So as you can see, very much can also extract what we call optical mark recognition. So a lot of these check boxes, I just selectively chose certain fields. I wanted to pick a collection of like handwriting, some of the text-based fields, and as you can see, it did a really good job. No matter what it is, whether it's handwritten or not, you can see how well it did. It discerns letters and numbers really well. Like it got a V there, did a good job and knew that was a 1, not an I. Same here. So the neural learning and the natural language processing that the Microsoft Azure engine gives us, it provides a lot of functionality, very much so that it really is non-error prone. Certainly, and with any handwriting, the way this form is, handwriting in all the different dialects and penmanship, the benefit to this form and the way you've architected the form is it's really constrained, which allows us to do a really good job reading the block lettering. So the form is great. I don't think you have to do anything different there. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.